Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy on tips and tricks. This one is going to be about LinkedIn. Let's have a small intro to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network where people join each other to gain knowledge, share about any updates coming up, or most probably, people have this thought process about LinkedIn only and only for job purposes. But that's not what LinkedIn is all about. LinkedIn has much more than that. LinkedIn is about connecting with the right people. Over here, you have three kinds of connections. First connection, second connection, and third connection. Just the way you have friends on Facebook. You have friends, mutual friends. In this one, we have connections. The first connection, second connection, and the third connection. Let us have a look into this. So here I go into my network. If I get connected to this person, it will be my first connection. Few important things in LinkedIn are to optimize your profile. How you have to do it? You have to go into view profile section and you have to update your profile, what you do, write about yourself. You must elaborate yourself properly in the about section about what you do. You can upload your certificates and all the experience that you have had from different organizations. Follow some good amount of hashtags so that your timeline stays well updated related to the topics. The good thing about LinkedIn is that you will hardly find any posts related to religion or any racism, but progress and growth. Advertisements on LinkedIn look like this. Pretty much similar to how we have it in Facebook. Instead of the word sponsored, we have the word promoted over here. The text, headline, URL, call to action buttons, single image ad it is. We have carousel and videos as well as the personalized ads, which come along with your picture and the name of the organization. They often ask you to follow or to take up a course.